Welcome to Life Stories with Kansiime Grace Message. Today I would like to take you through a very powerful immune boosting juice, and we are making it using a juice extractor. We are not blending it. We want to get every ounce of nutrients, every ounce of the vitamins, every ounce of the fiber from these juices, so that when you take it, you are having a complete recipe that the body is going to utilize, and the body will smile for you. Now, before we go into the details of extracting this juice, I would like to ask you kindly, if it is your first time, please subscribe. And if you have not subscribed before, do it for me, like the video, and share a comment in the comment section about your own wonderful juice recipes. Now, what we are going to have to deal with, where we are going to get our juice, first of all, you have to make sure that you are very hygienic. Now, my hands are very well washed. I have sanitized them with apple cider vinegar. My nails are short, and so it is very safe for me to touch these fruits and without having any worry about getting or making an infection in this juice. Our recipe is we are having carrots. They are well washed with LCD, and so there isn't fear for chemical residue sprays that normally happen there. Now, these carrots, they are very rich in carotenoids. They are rich in vitamin A, they are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K. Now, to balance the nutrients in this, remember we have to have the ACE. So I will add in this extra virgin olive oil. This is the organically pressed, to get my vitamin E, a teaspoon to get my vitamin E from there, and every other nutrient that I will need from there. Now, these carrots are very good for your eyes. They are good for your skin. They are good for generally, they are very good for health. Now, I'm combining the carrots with pineapple. The pineapple is well peeled. The main ingredient in this pineapple, the enzyme that we need, the biggest compound that we need, is bromelain. Bromelain is much more concentrated in the middle part. This is the part that normally many people don't want to eat, but it is so much concentrated in this middle part. As you can see, as I cut my pineapple, I have left this part intact. Now, bromelain is good for digestion, is good for inflammation, and it can even help to prevent that bromelain it can help to ease asthma. It may also be very good in helping you to ward off or prevent. It may help you to prevent cancer infection. Now, to sum up my recipe, I am adding in garlic. Now, some of you fear garlic and you say it smells too much, but this pineapple here is going to help to descent this garlic, so it is not going to be smelling. This is a very powerful natural antibiotic. Now, when you have this combination here, this is what we call that is what I call my best immune booster shot of the season. Now, my juicer is a Philips juice extractor, and however, this you have to put in to feed it one item at a go, so that you don't congest it. There are other juicers which I will introduce to you in the times to come soon, which you can just throw in everything, and it takes time, and it is a cold press, and it will give you the juice at its best. Okay, so let's go. We'll start with a carrot. Like I told you, hygiene is very key. Your hands must be clean, they must be sanitized. Before you cut your fruits, you must have set all these equipments, clean them with apple cider vinegar, so that there is no escape for infection. Some of you get fruits, you just buy them anyhow, and by the end of the day, you're having diseases, you're having parasites, you're having fevers because of the preparation methods. Fruits must be well washed, they must be well cleaned to make sure that you have, to a very big extent, eliminated the chemicals that are sprayed, and then minimize the source of infection. If your hands are dirty, your nails are long, try with all your infections and with all your and flush out any possible infections from your nails before. And if you are not very keen on that cleanliness, then I would advise you to use food gloves. How do they look like? This is a pack of my food gloves. I normally keep one. And so if I'm not really trusting my hands, if the nails have grown very, very long, so I wear these food gloves before I touch any fruit. And so here we go. I've turned on my juice extractor. Probably I should have one glass close to me here. Okay. Let me pick. I'll pick one from inside here. A big one. Okay, so here we go. We start with the carrots. One. As you can see, I'm not putting in any water in this food. I'm extracting the Kansiime out of the juices. Here we go. Sorry, I've overfilled it. Overfilled the cup. Well, this is my best health shot, a pure immune booster that has capacity. It may prevent so many of those things, the diseases, the infections that come with weather changes. This is cold pressed. As you can see, it has all the fiber, it has all the vitamins, and when we take this, we are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Join me another time as we make another recipe. One thing I had almost forgotten, this is a dash of the extra virgin olive oil. Okay, join me. Bye for now.